So West Indies coach Darren Sammy has asserted that for the West Indies to win this upcoming World T20 title, the performance of the bowlers will be key. Now in that assertion is the assumption that the other areas of the team, the fielding and especially the batting, will be up to par. But I think that for the bowlers to come to the party, the fielders will have to play some music. And even more importantly, that cadre of batters in that long batting lineup will have to put runs on the board, especially this squad as selected by Sammy himself, being packed with batters, power hitters and all-rounders, which substantially compromises the depth of the bowling. So the team as selected is more heavily reliant on the depth and quality of the batting rather than the bowling. So the key then to West Indies' chances must be the batting and not the bowling. Sammy, are you me trolling?